Do you happen to have a charging station in your house to charge all your devices when you come home or when you have people over and there happens to be not enough plugs? Really? Where am I going to plug my tablet in? On my phone? Or my camera? I don't even have another port for my USB Type-C. And with a charging station, you also don't want to take up a ton of plug space as well. So if I wanted to charge my camera, I'd have to do some rearranging to fit it in. But what if there was something better? Here we are with our Tronsmart Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 Volt IQ. That is quite a mouthful. So this one actually has one 3.0 Qualcomm Quick Charge port. The other 4 are smart ports that do 2.0 quick charging and lower. So with this charger, it is 4 times faster than your standard charger. Charge compatible devices to 80% in just 35 minutes. And then 27% faster charging speed compared to Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0. The max voltage on your ports 1, 2, 3, and 4 is 5 volts at 2.4 amps maximum. Your output on your 5th port, which is your 3.0 Qualcomm Quick Charge port, is 3.6 to 6.5 volts at 3 amps. Or you can do 6.5 to 9 volts at 2 amps. Or 9 to 12 volts at 1.5 amps max. So let's go on ahead and cut off all our plastic here with my good knife. I promise I will not cut myself or hurt anything or the packaging. And what we'll do is we'll take a tour of our box here. So if you have seen my Tronsmart videos before, you know what to expect. Here's our front of our box, your model information, your 4 smart ports, 1 quick charge port. It also says up here, Tronsmart on the top. On our left spine, we have Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology on 1 port, and Volt IQ on 4 ports. I do not know why I cannot get focus. There we go. Total is 54 watts at 7.2 amps. Full speed charging. Charge 5 devices simultaneously. Portable size, perfect for travel use. On our bottom side, Tronsmart. Go green with Tronsmart. Back side is the manufacturer information, where they're located at, their website, made in China, QR codes, FCC regulation, all that good stuff. And then for opening this is just our front flap. And here we are. Inside here we have our Volt IQ information about how this works. Tronsmart, happy? Not happy. Your review card. Let them know how they did. Give them a review. And then our desktop charger itself in its nice cord mesh bagging. And there we are, Tronsmart power on that side, all our ports on another side, and you can see your 3.0 port is marked blue. It tells you right here 3.0 and the Volt IQ charging. So that's that. Also in the box we do get our power supply, power cable. Now if you notice, there is no cables that come with this, whether it's USB Type-C or micro USB. It is just the desktop charger itself. So please keep that in mind when ordering this. If you need more cables, go on ahead and order. The Tronsmart cables are recommended to go with this, or anything that is compatible. Other compatible cables would be your standard cable that came with your phone in the box. Like I said, the Tronsmart cables, or any cable that is MFI, I believe, certified. Yes, MFI certified cable. If you are using a Nexus device such as the Nexus 6P or the Nexus 5X, the Tronsmart charger here does not hit that 3 amp charging. It is not the correct 56k ohm for the USB Type-C to USB Type-A. So next we'll go on ahead and put this in my charging station downstairs, get it all set up, make everything all nice and neat. And the nice part about this being a desktop charger, it hides away nicely in a charging station setup if you have those. Besides that, if you were to do a desktop setup, you could just set it up like that at home, have your cables running out, or do some cable management work. But yeah, we'll give this a shot here in 1 minute. So we have the new Tronsmart 5-port charger set up. As you can see, I have a less mess of cables hanging out of my outlet and in my power supply. You can see I only have one charger going to the wireless charger, and then our one plug here that is now controlling 4 ports over here. So as we take a look, I'll turn our flash off, you can see my wife's Note 5. This is currently charging while it is doing a software update. I have my LG G4 charging as well, and it is 21 minutes left, so it's not going to show quick charging right now because of the battery level is high, so it doesn't need to quick charge. That's only for your first 50%. Just to show you how the cables look inside now, as we can see, I have one cable here in the back. This is a very long one. If I can stretch this out to its length, so quite a long cable. That's at least a 4 or 5 foot cable, and that is up top for charging. And then we have 3 right here. So that's a total of 4 cables that are plugged into the Tronsmart. And if we look underneath, you can see that we have quite a bit of excess length in case people want to be by their phone when they're here charging. So that is, like I said, is 4 out of the 5 cables, because the 5th cable port on it is of course our 3.0, and I do not have a cable, I have no need for the 3.0 charging right now, so I'm not going to bother using that port. But that has taken care of. If I can find a way to do some more cord management here on top, I will, or even find a whole new station in general. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. This is RF Mike. If you guys like the video, hit that like button please, and if you, like I said, have any comments about other stations that might be out there, let me know in the video description, and I'll take a look at them. And then as for the charging cables, I have 2. Don't know if we can zoom in on this. Maybe not. This one right here is an actual anchored charging cable, and then Tronsmart does sell theirs as well. I'll probably end up switching these out to all some short Tronsmart cables, that we don't have all this excess. But yeah, hit me up in the comment section. I'll see you all in the next one.